I've set the router table up so as to cut a small rebate in each long edge of the pallet planks. This is so that when the planks are butted together, we'll get a windproof seal. The first side of the hen house is now complete. I'm now ready to do the identically shaped second side, the only difference being with it, there's going to be an entrance hole at the bottom, nest box at the top, and most importantly, this whole side is going to open, so it's going to be hinged, and that's going to mean it's going to be easy to clean out the nesting area.
I made a quick sketch of the front elevation of the coop. This is the elevation that goes into the flight or the run of the arrangement. Just a couple of salient points here. First of all, on that front elevation, the planks only go down halfway down because underneath is effectively a windproof shelter area for the hens to get, especially if they want to have a dust bath. It will always remain dry. Made a little note here, which is if we look down from the top of the front elevation, the front wall, it extends wider than the arrangement because this is where we will attach it to the side walls, and that will be screws going into the side walls. The other thing to note, from the side elevation of the front wall panel, the middle rail of the wooden frame is more pronounced than the rest of the timber, and this is because both the front and the rear walls have the rail in the same position, and this is what we will rest our floor planks on.